Hi everyone, welcome to Dundas Dashboard How-To videos. This video is on displaying the values of a parameter in a label. This video will demonstrate how to successfully add a script that will read off the parameter selection over hierarchy control and display it on a label. This can be handy when exporting or sharing the dashboard as an image, because users will be able to see all of the values selected for the parameter. Here is our final goal. We have a hierarchy parameter control that affects our chart, and we have a label. Whenever changing the parameter, the label will be updated with their corresponding selections. Now, let's get started and see how we can achieve the same thing. Here we have a chart, a parameter hierarchy control that affects it, and a label. As we can see, when previewing this dashboard and changing the hierarchy parameter control, it does not update our label. So what we want to do is add a parameter changed interaction on our dashboard. This script will be executed every time a parameter has changed its values. Let's start off our script by declaring an empty string. This string will hold the content of all of our variable names our label will need to print out. Now, we need to create a loop that will go through all the filter values and pick up the readable values. For each dashboard filter value data FVD in parameter1 dot filter values is our loop. Remember, in our scenario, parameter1 is the name of our parameter. We can check this by going to the parameters tab. We now need to append all of these variables on our S string and add some type of delimiter. S plus equals fvd dot member values 0 dot readable values 0 plus slash r slash n. The fvd dot member values readable values are indeed the values for our parameter, and the rn is our type of delimiter, which will go to the next line. There are many types of delimiter. We can easily do a comma, a space, some word, or anything to our liking. And now we will assign our label text to equal the string s. In our scenario, label 1 is the name of our label. Let's build, apply, and preview. As we can tell, whenever changing the hierarchy parameter control, our label gets updated accordingly. The only exception for now is if we use a token value, because the structure of the parameter changes when the token is used. Let's modify our script to handle this case. We can do this by adding an if statement that will check if our parameter has a named token value of none. If it doesn't, then an actual token is used. If none is used, then the user has selected values. if parameter1.filterValues.nameTokenValue does not equal nameToken9, implies the user has selected a token value. So right away, we can set our label to equal the particular value. Else, do exactly what we had before. Let's build, apply, and preview. As we can see, everything is working as expected. The values and the token values. If we can remember, on load, the label still had the value label instead of the default parameter selection. If we wish to have it on load, we will need to copy and paste the identical script we have now into our load interaction of the dashboard. For more information on what we discussed in this video can be found on our support site, support.dundas.com. Some key articles are shown on the screen now. Please feel free to visit them and read up on the information. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please visit our support site at support.dundas.com or contact us by email or by phone, which are shown on the screen. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.